1 month after Billy broke in to PJ's house. What to do today? What to do? Hmm. Ooh, maybe I should eat my cookies. Oh boy, I hope PJ forgives me for what I did to his house a month ago. The first cookie's good. Let's eat the second one. Wait, what's that? What's that sound? Oh, somebody's at my door. Oh, hello again, Billy. Hello, PJ. I'm sorry for what I did last time. Oh, that's okay. I literally only had to pay $50, mainly just for the doors, and the chairs were perfectly fine. Oh, actually, I didn't have to pay an extra 100. Oh, also like an extra five because you literally made my nose hit a door. Uh, oh, you hit a door. Oh, well, sorry. Also, I was going to ask, can I stay for a while? Because, well, my my dad is getting my house renovated, so I was wondering if I could stay for a while. Of course you can stay with me. I'll show you your room. Here's your room. Also, I'll be right back. I'm going to the store. Oh yeah, remember, don't do anything stupid. What the heck? Why are there so many cars in my driveway? I don't even own the car. Who left the door open? Whoa! This is the best party ever! Whoa! Whoa! Yahoo! Billy! What is the meaning of this? Oh, hi, PJ. Who are these people? These are my friends from school. I don't care if these are your friends from school. Why are they here? Oh, I just wanted to throw a little party. I literally spent $1 for a Coke of yours. And also, you throw a party? Okay. I think you're becoming a little scary. You literally spent $100 on confetti cannons. Yeah. I didn't think you would mind. You didn't think I would mind? I was supposed to spend that on bills. Uh-oh. Everyone out of my house now! What? No! Get out of our house and stay out!